चलो जल्दी। Sanjay, now we are at the Gopalpur Panchayat along with my JE, Mr. Rajendra Kumar, and my PRS Sanjay Kumar. We are monitoring a scheme that is named as झाड़ी नाला की सफाई, which starts from कहाँ से शुरू होता है? Hasanpur, that starts from Hasanpur Siwana and that goes to Dipti Sahab ki boarding of Gopalpur. The length of this particular irrigation canal is almost 4200 feet, that comes around 1.25 kilometers. This canal was fully, fully silted, and that was completely merged with the land. And the farmers of this panchayat, they used to complain regularly to my office that this particular canal is almost dead and the farmers are facing so many difficulties to get their harvest, and they are unable to get better crops of Rabi. The Panchayat Raj Gopalpur has decided to desilt this particular irrigation canal once again to make the panchayat and especially their farmers more prosperous. The entire area of Gopalpur Chaur comes around 2200 bighas, that comes around somewhere around 1500 acres, and this particular Bidhari Nala is going to help farmers that going to help the land approximately 500 acres. That helps in both way. In in rainy season, that is going to work as a canal for the purpose of help farmers to get rid of waterlogging, and especially in Rabi crop season, this khar is going to help as the irrigation canal khar is still. This khar is serving the purpose of irrigation. The farmers are getting water from this particular irrigation canal, and they are getting better help for their agricultural work. This khar that was earlier entirely silted is now alive, and that is helping more than 400 farmers of this panchayat and the entire this Chon area has now become a greenfield area for the agriculture purpose. Earlier, this area used to be waterlogged area in this particular season, and people were hardly take better crops due to waterlogging. Now this Bidhari Nala, which was almost dead, is alive, and this is a good success story for Narega, and this is a good success story for Panchayat, as this is helping not only laborers to get the job on this car, but this particular canal is helping thousands of farmers to earn better livelihood from their land. Thank you.